Here we have.
Let's see what you got.
You smell that? What is that?
What?
What's that smell?
A cologne?
No.
Opportunity.
Hey, Terry, smell my finger.
Ah, what the hell is that?
My ass.
Get the hell out of here, doofy.
Something stinks, like stale French fries.
Oh, that's probably me.
Hey, sweet cheeks. Got an invite I'd like to extend your way.
My God. What is that smell? Oh,
That's the smell of desire, my lady.
God, no, it smells like a used diaper filled with Indian food. Oh, excuse me.
You know, desire smells like that to some people.
What is that? It smells like a turd covered in burnt hair.
Terrible misunderstanding. Do you guys smell something in here?
Okay, for the sake of argument.
Hang on, where am I?
I don't know yet.
What is that smell?
Shh. Hang on a second. I think I found something.
Yo. Sorry, I'm late.
What's that smell? What is that?
What?
Did you sit in jam or something?
What are you talking about?
Smell fruit.
Something stinks here, Rico. Yeah.
Smells good.
What?
Did you hear that?
I did.
Whoa. Did you hear that?